Hello sir, hello everyone, hello classmates, good evening sa inyong lahat and good evening attorney, good evening. So ngayon sir, nag-video na lang ako ngayon since ayoko rin ma-miss out yung reporting later. So gusto ko lang sir yun, though na-email ko na rin siya sa inyo sir, ito yung boarding pass ko. And so sir, so yung magiging flight ko sir is around 6:55 PM. So kaya ginawa ko sir, nag-video na lang ako ngayon. So once again, good evening everyone. So ang naka-assign sa akin is what is contract for a piece of work versus a contract of sale. So a contract of piece of work, labor and materials may be distinguished from a contract of sale by the inquiry as to whether the thing transferred is one not in existence and which would never have existed but for the order of the person desiring it, in case the contract is one for a piece of work, not a sale. So on the other hand, if the thing subject of the contract would have existed and have been the subject of a sale to some other person, even if the order had not been given, then the contract is one of sale. So ano ba yung difference nilang dalawa? So bigyan na lang ako ng example siguro. So for example na lang, ang contract of sale kasi ito yung mga nakikita natin sa mga general markets. So ibig sabihin, para medyo mas madali, yung shoes na lang. So for example yung shoes, so di ba meron tayong mga nakikita sa mall na mga, for example yung Nike shoes, Adidas, yan yung mga nakikita natin sa mga stalls. So pag tayo nakipagkontrata tayo kay Adidas, dito na pumapasok yung contract for a piece of work. So ano ba ibig sabihin? For example, kunyari gusto natin ipa-customize, kunyari itong white shoes na to, ito yung nasa general market lang. Tapos ikaw gusto mo may signature mo siya, may picture mo, basta kumbaga naging unique siya. So hindi siya para sa mga regular consumers. Naging unique siya para sa ilang. So ibig sabihin, yung design na yun, sa iyo lang siya pwede ibenta. So parang ganun siya. So yun nga, under dito sa Article 1467, a contract for the delivery at a certain price of an article which the vendor is in the ordinary course of his business manufactures or procures for the general markets, whether the same is on hand at the time or not. So it's a contract of sale, but if the goods to be manufactured especially for the consumer upon his special order. So ito yung sinasabi ko, parang special siya, unique, so para sa ilang talaga, and not for the general market. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga regular consumer. It is a contract for a piece of work. So basta meron tayong pina-customize, pinagawa dun mismo sa manufacturer na yun, na hindi binibenta sa mga regular consumer, yun, pumapasok tayo sa contract for a piece of work. So dun nga sa Article 1713, by the contract for a piece of work, the contractor binds himself to execute a piece of work for the employer, consideration of a certain price or compensation. The contractor may either employ only his labor or skill, also furnish the material. So pag contract of kasi piece of work, parang more on skill yung pinag-uusapan dito eh. Parang ganun. So sa case nila, I think pumapasok ito sa contract of piece of work kasi kumbaga pina-customize to nila Dino dun, kumbaga pina-customize to nila Dino, pina-customize to nila Ramon kay Ladino. So yun yung parang naging contract agreement nila. So once again sir, maraming salamat and good evening everyone, and sir, pasensya na po ulit. So as of now sir, ngayon nasa airport po ako. Thank you so much and God bless.